What's up everybody, it's JR here from FCP Euro, back with another tech tip for you E46 owners. Today, we're gonna swap out the kidney grills in the hood of your E46. Over time, the clips on these little grills break and they can actually just fall right out of your car while you're driving, when you close the hood, in a myriad of different situations. So we're gonna swap these out so you can get back to looking nice and also just keep your grills from falling out of the car. In today's tech tip, we're gonna swap out the kidney grills on your E46. A few reasons why: they could be weathered and just torn up like mine are. They could literally be falling out like this one is, or you could just wanna switch from chrome to black. So I'm just gonna hop right into it and show you how easy it is to swap these out and why they even break in the first place. All right, so got the hood open. All you really need to pop these out is a pick. I got a straight one and an angled. Either one may work. You don't really need to have both, but you see these clips right here. These often just break right off like these do, and those are what hold the grill in to your hood here so it doesn't fall out. So this one, the clips are all broken, so I can literally pull it right out of the car. Like that. Super common, super annoying, but that's why we're swapping them out today. To install, this is the easy one, easy part. Slide it in, pop these clips down. They're all gonna seat once you bring it through into those little grommets. And just like that, your new grill's in the car, super secure. On the other side, I'll show you the proper procedure, which includes pushing these clips down so you can effectively pull it out. So grab your pick. You're gonna depress all these little clips, which on my car are literally just breaking because they're so old. And that actually was the last straw. And you can pull that one straight out of the car. Again, it's a super simple job. All you're doing is really depressing these little clips, which oftentimes break. These have seen 170,000 rough miles of New England and or winter weather. So these will usually just break right off and you can pull the grill right out. Another installation here. What you can also do, if you'd like, is just get a little quick detailer and a microfiber and just clean off the backside here. I should have done that the first time. I'll probably pop them out and do that after this video, but that's another little thing you can do while you have the grills out. Again, depress these. They're much more pliable on a new grill rather than that old one I just had. And just finesse it in, and you'll have nice, new kidney grills. Again, this is supposed to be kind of difficult because these are now super nice and taut, and they're gonna help you achieve a super tight fit. So if you bring the camera in here, you see how the clips sit. You have to be really careful with just pushing these in when you're removing the grill so that it slides right out pretty easily. And just like that, you've replaced the kidney grills on your BMW E46. You can bask in the fact that this job is so easy compared to a newer BMW like an E90 or an F30, for example. These kidney grills are available at fcpeuro.com. These are the genuine ones, specifically. If you found this tech tip helpful, give us a like. And if you have any requests that you may want to see on the E46 platform in the future, please leave a comment in the box below, and we'll see you at the next one.